Hey, let's take a look at removal of the A-pillar on a 2021 Ford Transit. You can use your fingernails or a trim kit tool. Just pop these little guys off, real easy. Next, you'll need a 10mm socket. Loosen these up. And take them all the way off. Next thing you want to do is pull this trim. And when you're ready to remove the A-pillar, start from the top, click, and pull towards the center of the van and forward. If you have the tweeter, make sure you don't pull too far and you remove that speaker cable. It could be pretty tight. It was not very tight on the driver's side, but this passenger side is pretty tight. And there you go. You can change your tweeter, do whatever else if you're going to put a piece of Thinsulate in here, whatnot. When you're ready to put it back, put in the bottom, get your tweeter speaker wire reconnected, and this piece here, these two little tabs, you can look through this bottom hole and line it up with the metal. You'll see exactly where that goes as you push this in. Click the top in place. Put your door molding back in and reattach your handle. Don't over tighten these. Get them snug, but don't over tighten. Put your little trim pieces back on. And that's it. You've done your A-pillar. We'll see you on the next one.